Welcome to Looking at the Markets. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 opportunities that I like a lot. You don't have to be a meme stock chaser. You don't have to be a bandwagon jumper. You can trade like a professional instead of like an amateur. This is a meme stock chart. You can probably guess which one. It was low priced for a while and then up, up, up. But what happens with the roller coaster? Does it stay up? No, it goes down. When something goes up too much, too fast, and people chase it, what do the amateur traders do? They buy up here, and then what happens next? Maybe it goes up a little bit longer and then down, down, down. Well, what do the professionals do? The professional traders and investors buy when it's down here. They buy when the price is low. And that's the idea. I don't want you to be a chaser. I don't want you to be a bandwagon jumper. I want you to be more like a professional than an amateur in your investments. So let me tell you about 3 low price stocks, because the professionals buy when the price is low. They don't buy as chasers. Okay, you're not chasing. So 3 low price stocks with high growth potential. I'm going to tell you them right now. These are all solid companies with revenue and assets and undervalued market caps. And this is important. They're all SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission reporting companies that are current in their filings. These are things I want you to look for. Not just the low price. Yes, these are very affordable stocks, but I want you to look for solid companies. I want you to look for revenue. I want you to look for undervalued companies, and are they current in their SEC or other regulatory filings? Things to think about, things to watch. All right, so here's number 1 out of 3. Collectibles. And I've featured this company before, also known as Cosmos Group Holdings. The stock ticker symbol on the OTC markets is COSG. Very affordable stock. What is Collectibles? They focus on rare memorabilia, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and digital ownership titles, DOTs. Collections include AI, artificial intelligence, digital images, sports, limited edition toys, fashion wear, sneakers, watches, artworks that exist and have intrinsic value in the real world. Super important, whether tangible or intangible in nature. And I want you to visit www.coinlectibles.art, not .com, it's .art. And let's take a look at that right now. Let's get away from this stock. I think you know what it is. We're getting into stocks that are not overvalued. Okay, so coinlectibles.art. I want you to look at the websites of these all 3 companies I'm telling you about today. Make sure that the websites look professional. They look complete. They are complete. You're looking for contact information, which here it is at the bottom. So you can contact them if you want to. Okay, transparency is important. Collectibles' first publicly traded blockchain DOT technology company on the U.S. OTC markets that redefines how we think about art and collectibles ownership in the digital age. And you can learn more about DOTs, NFTs, and Collectibles. They have the prices, they have the artworks. They're digital, but also ceramics, art, sports, luxury. So they're also real-world collectibles as well. Yeah, full transparency and very nice looking website, by the way. So check that out. Always research before you consider purchasing any asset on the financial markets. So that's number 1, COSG. Number 2, also on the OTC markets, King Resources, stock ticker symbol KRFG. King Resources is a holding company that, through its subsidiaries, is engaged primarily in the development of smart power supply solutions and the rendering of related technical services as well as lifestyle products. And it has at least 2 subsidiaries that I'm aware of. King Resources subsidiaries include PowerTech Corp, www.powertechcorp.com, and One Solution Innotech, a brand and distribution network specialist in IoT, that's Internet of Things, products and services. And again, we're going to visit the website. We're going to make sure. Here it is, right there, powertechcorp.com. And I will put links in the description of this video, below the video, so you can click on those very easily. So this website, powertechcorp.com, again, this is a subsidiary. And this website includes power adapters for notebooks, tablets, cell phones, and other portable electronics devices. And you can see it right there, the products. And I could definitely use these because I'm always running out of power on my cell phone and on my laptops that I use. And so these are universal, by the way, adapters and power sources. And so I like this. I could use it. Truly portable, easy to carry, and one size fits all. Up to 65 watts on these for your phones, for your MacBooks, iPads, so on and so forth. Yeah, I could definitely use these. Think I'm gonna get some for sure. Keep them around the house, around the office. Yeah, truly portable. I like this. All right, contact information. I always look for that right there. Very cool. King Resources, KRFG. And the third one, Marvian Inc. Again, the OTC markets. Look for MVNCD or MVNC. So as I'm making this video, it's MVNCD, but you can also look for MVNC on the OTC markets. Marvian is a one-stop shop to help businesses delve into the world of Web 3.0 and the metaverse. Marvian has developed unique digital ownership token DOT technology, which is a smart contract designed to make ownership of digital assets more secure and unambiguous. Marvian's services include metaverse technology development, planning your marketing calendar, helping to create entertainment collectibles, and devising your marketing and compliance strategies. Now, they don't only help businesses, they can help individuals as well. But I can imagine business owners definitely using this service because it's, like I said, a one-stop shop. If a business or an individual wants to get into Web 3.0, wants to get into the metaverse, doesn't know how to do it, Marvian will assist with that. And you can visit www.marvian.media. All links in the description below this video, but we'll check it out real quick right now. Here it is. It's a complete professional looking website about Marvian. Traversing the brave new world of Web 3.0 can be a daunting task for people, for businesses. They make it much easier. They're metaverse advocates with real world sensibilities and huge believers in translating your digital assets into tangible value for your brand or for you. So who would the clients be? Somebody, a business, an individual seeking new avenues for fan engagement, a business owner perhaps curious about what blockchain can do for you, for your top and bottom lines, maybe an NFT, non-fungible token collector requiring more assurance and authenticity and ownership. There are a whole bunch of different clients that could use these services for sure. And it's a full suite of services, from the creation of entertainment collectibles and metaverse technologies to marketing, compliance consultancy, all of that and more. All right, so I also wanted to show you this press release on Yahoo Finance. As of the fiscal year 2023, Marvian grew its revenue to, this is more than 14 million, almost 14.5 million dollars, marking a growth of 25% compared to the previous fiscal year. During the same period, Marvel's gross profit soared. It more than doubled, actually. Soared by 107%, increasing to, this is nearly $3 million. $2,787,661 in fiscal year 2022 to $5,785,760 in fiscal year 2023. More than doubling. It was already pretty impressive, then it doubled, basically, and then some. Very impressive. So I like that one a lot. I like all three of these. They're very different companies, but they all have usually some technology type of angle. And so check all three of them out. And just to review, MVNCD or MVNC for Marvian, KRFG for King Resources, and Collectibles, COSG on the OTC market. And these all check the boxes that I'm looking for. Solid companies, revenue, undervalued, and current in their filings and in their reportings. And they're low priced. So don't just look at the meme stocks. Don't get caught up in the hype. Don't get caught in a trap. Be like a professional. This is what I do. I buy undervalued stocks that people may not be talking about like they're talking about the meme stocks right now. That's okay, because that means I'm buying here and not way up here, because I'm not trying to buy things that are on the front page of the news yet. I want to buy the hidden gems that could be on the front page of the news next week, next month, or whenever it happens. It happens because I'm being patient, I'm buying low and holding, because the rally could happen at any given moment, and I was in before other people were in. That's the idea. That's what I'm looking for, and I hope you are as well. So check them out. Do your due diligence. Make sure you research. I cannot tell you what to buy or what not to buy. These are just ideas, but I'll hope you check them out and do your due diligence on all three of them. Okay? So be careful out there. Don't be an amateur. Be more like a professional. That's what I do, and you can do it too. All right, so check him out. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I will talk to you again very soon.